You're welcome to Cloudy 360 Tech. This video is purposely made for those of you that have installed Visual Studio Code in your laptop, and when you run your code, it won't display. Pay close attention to what I'm going to show you. Come to this place, exactly that, click on it. Then you now search for Live Server, and please make sure that your laptop has a strong internet connection. So when you come to this place, you type Live Server. You can see it right here, Live Server. Click on it. Okay, and of course you can see that I've already installed the Live Server. That is why it is showing me on install, but in your own case it will show install. So please click on install and wait for it to install complete. After that, activate it. Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and follow us in all our social media handle. Thank you.